Hi guys, welcome to episode 3 of Forging the Sword. So this is what we've got done in the last 2 episodes. We've just been flattening it out with this hammer and got some new hammers to show you for other projects, and making that line in the middle, got a cross peen. Right, so I got these 2 new hammers at a Steam rally for £1 each, which is really good. I mean, the steel's probably worth more than that. So this one I'm going to turn into an axe because it already has the eye drifted, and then I'm going to sell it. And this one, oh yeah, and I'm going to use the handle from this one to fit it onto this one, because this, at some point, because this has a really wobbly head and this handle's a bit wider, so I can fit that on. And this one is going to be used, well, for a lot of things, but for now, when I get the sword the full length, I'm going to go like that, down the middle, to make that divot you see in the middle of all the swords, and all the swords, but you get what I mean. Alright, so let's get the fire on. First heat of the day. I'll spend the first few heats tomorrow finishing the length of the sword, because it really won't take long. And then I can get on with finishing up the blade portion and move on to the handle. That's all I wanted to do today. Got quite a bit done. Probably got up to there last time. Maybe a bit less. Like that. And we got this done today. Alright guys, see you in the next episode.